Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be bringing you guys a free streaming starting soon animated video, and you guys can use this for YouTube or Twitch. I have two different versions of it. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do if you want to download this is go down in the description. There will be a link that'll take you to a Google Drive page where you can download it, which I will show you right now. So it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, and all you want to do is just go up here to the top right and click this download button. And once you download it, just go to your downloads folder and drag it to your desktop. It'll look like this, and it probably won't have this little icon. It'll probably be just a folder that has a zipper or whatever. Just right click on it and you should be able to find an extract button somewhere. Mine's right here, so just extract here, and it says it already exists. That's because I already downloaded it, so I'm just going to close that. It should look like this once you extracted it. So now if you double click on it, you can see there's a Twitch version and a YouTube version. So if we double click on this, you can see what it looks like. Looks pretty cool. The difference is one says subscribe now, the other says follow now. So, you know, Twitch and YouTube go by different things. So it's pretty cool. I got this from Placeit.com. So if you guys wanted to make something like that for free, check out Placeit.com. That's where I made these for you guys to use for free. And they have paid versions as well. So that's up to you. But you could just download them and you're good to go. You might have to find other videos on how to actually use them in your stream, but you have the videos here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.